What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to try something today I haven't done in quite a while. I'm going to attempt to window tint my vehicle. Picked up a couple things at the parts store, a window applicator kit and also some tint. It's a 35% just so I don't have to deal with inspections. So with that, let's get started. I'm only doing the front windows on this vehicle as the rears are already tinted. But I have a couple of issues. I have some stickers here I'm going to have to remove. I want to take all this trim off and probably pull the door panel off so I can get to every edge of the glass and I don't have to deal with tucking it in. The problem is I have this window molding at the top, and what I did last time was I laid the tint on the outside of the glass and made my cuts there, and then I moved it to the inside. So doing it on the inside might be a little bit more difficult, so I'm not sure how I'll go about this just yet. What I can tell with this window molding here that goes around, it looks like it's actually connected to the window track and goes all the way down inside. So that's going to be an issue. What it looks like I'm going to have to do is actually cut a little bit to the side, and then I'm going to have to tuck the film into this molding. I got the window pretty good and clean. I still think I can do my cuts on the outside. All I'm going to do is just bring down the window a little bit like this, and I'll make my top cut, and then I'll raise it up, and then I'll do my bottom cuts. And that's where I messed up. Don't ever apply heat after you pull off the protective covering. Well, time to try it again.
And there it is in all its glory. Hey, it wasn't too bad. I haven't done this in a few years, so I think it came out pretty good. There's a couple bubbles in there, but they'll go away over time. I do wish it was a little bit darker, but hey, that's what you get for 35%. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just put a thumbs down. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you on the next one.